that, again, thank you so much for your generosity, love, and support both for Arvin and Anna. Salamat po sa inyo. Okay. Now we're done here. Please proceed here sa inyo pong napakagandang wedding cake as we now have the couple's cake slicing.
There's no combination of words I could
Yan.
put on the back of a postcard.
Before having a slice of your cake, why don't we have a photo first together with your wonderful cake? Eyes on the camera, please. Here. Look here. Yan. And show us your sweetest and biggest smile. Perfect. Ready? Eyes on the camera, please. Sir, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Go ahead, please. Have a slice of your wedding cake and make sure to get a very generous slice of cake dahil yan pong unang cake na pagsasaluhan nyo bilang mag-asawa. And of course, as they say, dito daw natin makikita at masusukat kung gaano nga ba kalaki ang pag-iibigan po nilang dalawa. Depende po sa laki ng cake na kanilang pagsasaluhan. And we're looking at here at the back, mukhang mahal na mahal nga nilang isa't isa, no? Ang laki. Yan. Ang laki ng pag-ibig nila. Perfect slice of cake. Okay. Now that you have your cake, please join me back here at the center. We will settle this once and for all, ladies and gentlemen. Aalamin natin ngayon sino ba talaga between Arvin and Anna ang may mas malaking pag-ibig. Is it Arvin or is it Anna? Depende po yan sa laki ng cake na kanyang isusubo sa kanyang asawa. The bigger the cake, the bigger the love. And we will start with our group. Ikaw muna, Sir Arvin. Matanong muna kita. Kung iyo pong ilalarawan ng iyong pag-ibig sa iyong napakagandang misis, gaano ba talaga kalaki ang pag-ibig mo sa kanya?
Para siyang karagatan. Kasi, tila natatanaw mo yung hangganan, pero walang katapusan.
Magaling sumagot. Magaling. Sige nga, sir, ipakita mo yan sa pamamagitan ng slice of cake. Yung walang hanggo. Yan na nga ba si... Ooh. Okay, go ahead, sir. Show your big love sa iyong napakagandang misis in 3, 2, and 1. Ay. Ano pa lang yun? Down payment pa lang. Oo. Masikip pa. Masikip si Ana ngayon. Okay. Sige. Nag-iinarte lang yan. Kaya niya talaga mas malaki. Pero dahil mas malaki pagmamahal niya, uubusin to, no? Wala dapat matitira sa plato. Okay, go ahead. Kaya mo yan, Arvin, eh. Nag-practice ka dito, eh. Na-stretch mo na yan, eh. Ready? 1, 2, and... Okay, yan. Medyo naawa pa. Okay. Sweet lang. Thank you. So, isang smile naman sa camera dyan. Patingin ng ngiti. Labas ngipin. 1, 2, 3. Malinis? Yun. Malinis. Walang ebidensya. Thank you so much. Okay, now everybody, before we have our dinner tonight, why don't we have a celebratory toast to commemorate this wonderful celebration we're having right now. And to make this part even more special and meaningful para po sa kanilang dalawa, meron tayong mga special guest na makakasama ngayon na nag-prepare ng kanila pong message, speech para po sa atin pong bagong kasal. First on our list, makakasama natin ngayon, isa po siyang kaibigan, katrabaho po ng atin pong groom. At of course, siya po ang ating best man tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give it up to our best man for tonight. We have with us Sir Johnny Lee Dueñas. Stand beside our group.